Have you ever pondered the idea of investing in the stock market? Wondered how the world of stocks and bonds can transform your financial future? Well, you've stumbled upon the doorway to a realm that could be your key to financial growth. It's a journey that requires patience, discipline, and above all, understanding. So buckle up for an enlightening ride into the world of investing. The first step on this journey is understanding what investing really is. In the simplest terms, investing is about putting your money to work. It's a way of buying assets that you believe have the potential to increase in value over time. Think of it like planting a seed and nurturing it to grow into a tree. The seed is your initial investment, the nurturing is your patience and discipline, and the tree is the return on your investment. Now, to start investing, you'll need a brokerage account. It's a bit like a bank account, but instead of holding money, it holds your investments. There are numerous online brokerage platforms available today, each offering different benefits and features. Choose one that aligns with your needs and comfort level. Next, it's time to decide what to invest in. This is where research comes into play. Look at different companies, their financial health, their performance over the past few years, and their future prospects. The goal is to find companies you believe are undervalued or have a promising future. Once you've found a promising company, it's time to buy shares. Shares represent ownership in a company. When the company performs well, the value of your shares increase. And when it doesn't, the value decreases. Remember, investing is a long-term game. Short-term fluctuations are part and parcel of the journey. One key aspect of investing that often goes overlooked is diversification. It's the idea of not putting all your eggs in one basket. By investing in a variety of assets, you reduce the risk of losing all your money if one investment doesn't pan out. Lastly, it's crucial to monitor your investments. Keep an eye on the companies you've invested in, stay updated with market trends, and adjust your portfolio when necessary. To recap, the journey of investing starts with understanding the concept. You then set up a brokerage account, conduct research to decide what to invest in, and buy shares. Remember to diversify your investments and monitor them regularly. Investing in the stock market might seem daunting at first, but with patience, discipline, and the right knowledge, it can be a powerful tool for financial growth. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither will your investment portfolio. It's a journey, not a sprint, so take your time, make informed decisions, and watch your financial tree grow. And that, in a nutshell, is the world of investing. A realm where patience, discipline, and understanding rule. A realm where your money works for you. So, step in, start your journey, and unlock the potential of your financial future.